welcome back to Sunny Life Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi TV show, and namhlanje guys sikhuluma ke ngothando nesithembu. Yay, yazi yashisa ke i-episode iyayizolo. Yawuma kuthiwa umseleko uyagowa ufamba moyeni. Umseleko guys ziyambuyela izinto. Umfazi eyedwa ngicabanga ukuthi 100% we-stress, ababili 200%, abathathu 300%, 400 yena uhlela pha 500%. Hayi bakithi ngeke ngalale esibhedlela, kunzima lapha kuye. So on the previous episode ke guys sibone uMakhumalo ke engazi ukuthi cha uyekile kubo Makhumalo lo waya usweet baby na umseleko uze washo wathi selokhu ngathana noMakhumalo eseyingane, but lo Makhumalo lo esengihleli naye leduze kwami hayi akusiyena shem. So abantu lapha na social media ke bathi ke umseleko uyamthanda umfazi ovumelana naye ngayo yonke into. Once umfazi washintsha wakhombisa ukuthi against yena hayi shem ngeke azamthande ke lo, njengoba hleze kwenzeka kumayeni ke kanye ke noMangwabe abahleze ke bephambana nomseleko. So Makhumalo guys angazi ma but ngibona ngathi uatheka kakhulu uMacele izolo. Ngibona ngathi nje atheka kakhulu uMacele ke izolo, and uMacele ke beyithulele ke engafuni ukukhuluma ethi nje yazini I don't want to, angifuni ukukhuluma because kukhona abantu abangakhulumisani kulabafazi bakamseleko sibezogenga apha ngami manje sekuyimina ke manje umuntu osemubike la yona yonke lenkulumo because ngivumele ukuthi ubaba yakhe athathe omunye unkosikazi. Abanye bathi ke umamkhulu uvumele umseleko ukuthi athathe omunye unkosikazi ngoba efuna ukuzusa labo buhlungu ngoba naye she's been through it. So angazi guys ukuthi kuMakhumalo kushintshe kuphi beside ukuthi last week advise umseleko ukuthi akwazi ukuthi enze umsebenzi ebese ke ebika ke unumber 5. But I think iproblem yaqala ngesikhathi emtshela ukuthi umuntu wangakubuka kuMakhumalo azange kuphinde ke nje kulunge, but season bose ngazi ukuthi hayi cha kushuba kakhulu uma yeni guys abantu they are complaining about her, bathi ke akamo respect umseleko. Abanye bathi akam respect ngoba naye akayi respect, but I feel like hayi indlebe ngikukhomba ngomunwe ngakhona izolo nami was like hayibo uNkulunkulu wami, yabona umseleko la udinga uma wakhe uFlow azomlamulela ngoba hayibo uma yeni hashem ngiyasho ukuthi babejola besafunda isikole bona bazana kudala before bonke laba abanye bakhona ke. So guys yeah, it was just that, and asazi yazi we don't know ukuthi ke, but next week ngibonile episode ekhona ukuthi bomseleko uyakhala akumnandi bakithi. Mina ngibona usagula ngempela he need to rest. He just need to rest nje nale season they were supposed to bayishoot, maybe they were supposed to wait at least for 5 months azabe ngcono azabe right kumande ke bayishoot. I think basheshe bayishootha engakabi bikho right, but anyway bathi use right upholile manje. Kodwa yabona kulama episode ayizolo yabona izolo bekameshile phela umseleko guys, bekameshe nomamncane uMakhwela like mara uMakhwela bekagqoka ingubo kwi-diary session umseleko beyigqoke like on that event, but nje bebemeshe bowu2. Asazi ukuthi uyogcina emukeleke kanjani ke lo amakoto omncane bakithi. Hey babumseleko uyagula, babumseleko une high blood pressure, babumseleko unoshukela. Nkosi yami, hey boy, 2000 msindis. Hi guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.